want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, guys, what better way to have some fun during the bear market, right? So Titano P.L.A.Y, price link accumulating yield project, allows you to still earn Titano, of course, at a slightly lower different ratio, and have the opportunity to win a big prize. So let's check this out. So, of course, this is our Twitter site. You can come here. We post a lot of great news. You can check it out. So what I did was I took the first address, right? So this is just, I think, launched about 45 minutes ago. The grand prize was about 67,000 US dollars, of course, divided by 3 winners, right? I also participated. I took this address. I went on the Binance Smart Chain, and I just want to show you exactly 41 minutes ago. You can see this number of value that came in about 216,000 Titano tokens, right? You come over to CoinGecko, I plug in that number, and you get $22,000. So, so everything's, this is why I like the blockchain, because when someone markets something and say that somebody won, how would you actually know? In the blockchain, they post these 3 wallets, they divide. I went on Binance Smart Chain, plug in the number because I saw 41 minutes ago, this 200,000 of tokens came in. Put that tokens on the calculator, and here we have it, guys, about $22,000. Of course, the number fluctuates because price is still live. So what you need to do is just come over to titano.finance, right? Head down, you click display button, you will take you to the next page, right? And then you have to connect your wallet. So of course you will have the dashboard, you have your account, right? You can see your account. You hit display. You have to, of course, approve, right? First time you have to do an approval, and then connect your wallet, and then you deposit, right? So here's a screen capture of what I've done, right? So I came over to the Titano P.L.A.Y. So basically, Titano P.L.A.Y, for those Titano holders, right? This is how you can actually generate even more rewards. Simple, powerful, and proven, right? So this will, if you are the holder of Titano tokens, you are actually given access to P.L.A.Y. Multiple big winners every week. No one loses their initial deposit. Even if you don't win, you get to keep all your money, right? So when you log into this portion, right, on the dashboard, it will just show you the market cap, circulating supply, the current price of Titano, and the rebase. Of course, as we know, for Titano is 30 minutes for 48 times. They were the first in the market, right? So they are the leaders to actually create this with a fixed APY. So if you have not watched the AMA with live with David, do check out our YouTube. Is one of our best videos there. So then the next step is that of course I put in some money. Sorry, I have to just kind of cancel out how much I've put in, because I don't want anyone to actually go to the blockchain and know my wallet, right? So you got to be careful in the space. So of course I've deposited it, and how much did I pay on the Binance Smart Chain for depositing my money? 58 cents, guys. So just 58 cents, and I participated with all my tokens. I just put it in, and then it shows me my reward. I deposited the Titano, and it tells me the pool owner address, and also there will be 3 prize winners, and at the same time they give me my chance. So of course I have one out of I think this was 102,000%, right? 102,000 hold one in every 100 over 1,000. So basically this, because I put a smaller amount, if you put a bigger amount, you have a potential to get on this Titano. So again, you can check out Titano. It's on our Twitter. They actually posted about 15 minutes ago, right? So first winner, second winner, third winner. I just having fun, guys, in the bear market. And I went to check out the winner's address on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can see here the last digit is 2395. They also put it here as 2395. And I can get to see that Titano actually deposited about 216. You put that on a CoinGecko calculator, and you see $22,000, right? So it matched. Again, the price fluctuates as we speak, as we are doing this live event. So just head down over to Titano, click on play, you enter here, connect your wallet. It's very straightforward. Go to play, approve, connect your wallet, and deposit, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So maybe just a bit of a touch up on what is a price link accumulating project. So Titano team, of course, is focused on bringing new and exciting projects that utilize STEP, the latest and best method for generating rewards for Titano holders. So this is the second project that they have created after the auto staking and auto compounding token. So the price link accumulating yield is easy, fun contest for Titano holders. Project proven to be revolutionary way to get people to save more money and earn, as a studied by Harvard Business School of its innovation. And now they offered almost in 33 US state under the name Price Link Saving Account, PLSA. So as I showed you how to actually set up, is quite straightforward. This will also be using on the Titano V2 app on the website. Just simply press the play button, and those who enter Titano increase the odds of winning the big prize. But of course, if you unstake, you after 10 days or before 10 days, you actually have a penalty. I won't call it a penalty, but it's part of the fair play. You have to stay there for at least 10 days. There will be a fee of 10%. But after the 10 days, you are free to unstake to come out from the price pool, right? So the price are generated through a simple mechanism, right? When the participants enter Titano Play, they deposited amount will automatically generate interest thanks to the tap strategy that they have. And the interest combined with all the other interest generated from the deposit and other participants create the grand prize. Now, the system is designed to allow participants to win grand prize and participate passively in the prize pool while keeping their funds or deposited funds safe. And how they are generating by depositing Titano under the sponsorship feature. The tab uses a deposit funds to generate a fixed interest to passively award all the play participants. So each participant receive an amount of passive determined by the algorithm, and a consideration amount of Titano deposit by each participant of the total amount Titano in the play deposited. The more passive rewards the participant will receive. Now, using Tap, these rewards occurs on your interface, and it can be easily withdrawn by clicking Claim Rewards button, right? So fairness. So they want the users to play the game and want it to be fair. Everyone who has contributed to furnish interest to the prize must be eligible to win. Prize needs, of course, users' contribution definitely to grow. Interest builds up over time. Therefore, Titano protocol needs to measure and enforce the time the funds are held. Without the mechanism, it will be very easy to game the system by depositing right before the price, having a chance to win, and withdrawing after that, right? So player, of course, measures the duration of time the funds was held, accruing for days of the users holding that, and setting a scalable and decreasing early exit fee. So once the early exit fee cycle is completed, the user can withdraw the funds instantly with no loss, right? Very important here, guys. So if the cycle has not been completed, the user can still withdraw, but they will pay an early fee that contributes to the price. This is an early exit cycle, which is 10 days. Early, of course, initially 10%, which decreases 1% every day until it reaches zero at the end of the 10-day cycle. So here are some of the play address that will show up when you actually connect as per my screen capture. So you can see your pool owner, it will actually show up here. So that's all I have, guys. Hope you enjoyed and have fun with Titano Play.
Yeah, it was interesting to know about this Titano Play.
So I'm going to hand over to Manish. Join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, thanks, Wayne. So today I'm going to cover upcoming Solana NFT projects that potentially can go 20x, 30x your investment. So let's check that out. What are the top Solana mint this week? Okay, so same like OpenSea, Solana have their own marketplace which is called Magic Eden. Those who are not aware, you can just come and check out your NFTs collections, they have a quite a range of cool NFT collections here. You can just check that out. They also have a launch pad where all the upcoming NFTs will be listed out here, and you can participate on that this launch pad in early stage. You have auction features where you can participate on auctions if any interesting or new NFTs being listed down here. Of course, they have a stat features also where you can see on the top collections how the NFTs are performing from past 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days. All right, and there's something called Eden Game. If you want to play a game here, yes, you can just go ahead and play the Eden Game on the website itself. That's really cool website. I think they are still working on it, and they have their own Discord group. You probably want to join it for more signals. And this website, I really like it, but I think they are still working on it, and there are some more improvements are coming. So let's check that out. There are some frequent asked questions. How do I get my NFT collections verified on Magic Eden? So there is an application form for that. You can, if you are listing your NFTs here in this marketplace, in the Solana marketplace, if your NFT belongs to it's from Solana blockchain, then yes, you can get it verified by filling up this form, and the Magic Eden team will contact you. When will I get a response from Magic Eden? So it's probably their turnaround time is 1 to 2 days. In case if you want your NFTs to be verified or any other questions you have it with the Magic Eden team. How long does it takes to get verified on a Magic Eden? If your projects is accepted and provided that all information is submitted correctly post mint, you'll be able to verify within 1 working day. So I think this is really cool. And what fascinate me a lot, and what I'm very much interested, because uh last week when I was trying to buy NFT in OpenSea market, I have selected couple of NFTs which worth of 0.002 Ethereum, and for $100 worth of NFTs I have to pay around 165 to $180 of just gas fee. So look at that, guys, look at that. How I want to list an NFT, do I have to pay listing fee? No listing fee, guys. It's a 0% listing fee here. Only when you sell your NFT on top of it, they will get some percentage. They'll be charging some percentage. So what are the fee on Magic Eden? Magic Eden takes around 2% of all transactions. Magic Eden honors the royalty set by a creator. So 2% is damn cheap, guys. Damn cheap. I think those who are beginners in NFT and want to start your NFT journey, I think Solana is the best place. Of course, it's my personal advice. Do your own research before investing it. When a sell happen, how long it takes to get Solana into my wallet? Solana is transferred once a sell is confirmed. Means the transaction speed is lightning speed, guys. The fraction of second, and Solana will be in your wallet. How much are the royalties? The royalties amount are set to be created and paid immediately after happens. You can check the royalty percent set by each creator on the item details with. So these are the some questions we have a very frequently comes in our mind when we try to buy NFT in any marketplace. So this is about the marketplace where all the Solana NFTs will be listed. Moving on, the promising projects which they are the minting dates will be announced soon. So in my first list is Droni. Droni minting is going to start from February 2nd, and they have though their uh, website, or though their NFTs are not, the minting is not yet started, but look at the followers, guys. They have a quite decent number of following. It's around 26.1k followers, and they are quite regular on their postings, and they are keep on frequently updating about their projects. And of course, you can join a Discord group for more update about this project. And they have a very cool website. I'm impressed with their website also, Droni. They are watching you. So drone are a spy drone that have been created by an unknown manufacturer. Collaborate with your fellow is working to reveal the mystery behind these drones. So here the Twitter site is there and your drone, and you can see this mouse pointer, guys. It's not like a normal one. It's giving you a target kind of mouse pointer here. Okay, what is drone? Built using unique tech, these robotic birds are equipped with special features that allow it to record and upload data into an unknown source. So, yeah, this looks like a tech robotic birds, and the design and the artwork looks really cool, really cool. Okay, so some of the tweets which they have listed here, and yeah, this is about the drone, and let's check that out. Some important information about this NFT project: when the minting is going to start, it's February 2, 2020. We just made the hard decision to push mint back a week due to the recent network issues on a Solana. There was a network issues reported in a Solana, and due to that, they have pushed back their minting dates to February 2nd. Okay, how much will they be? So this is very important questions. 2.75 Solana. So 2.75 Solana would be somewhere around 250 if I'm not wrong. Let's check CoinGecko. If you come search for Solana. Okay, 2.75, 229 US dollars, guys, and there is no gas fee. I think you can just you can buy it. So what else you need and what else you're looking for? So 2.75 Solana for one drone. What was the roadmap look like? So let's check out their roadmap. Okay, so this is their roadmap. uh, we're really excited to release our official roadmap, and this has been put together based on the feedback, ideas, and desire from the community over the last several weeks, and feel confident that the successfully sold out mint that we have delivered all these items. So tier 1, 1.1 million to 1.12 million for 60 to 90 days deliverable. Website design developments, as you can see, the website is really cool. Exclusive sessions, one public must collections is t-shirt, hoodies, pin, and stickers. So these are their roadmaps, tier 2 roadmap. All these you can check that out. I'm not going on details because I have two more projects to cover today. Okay, so yeah, how the roadmap looks like. What are the marketplace will drone is will be listed on. We are preparing ahead of time with the best marketplace for Solana. Stay tuned for more updates, and as we get a closer to launch, the marketplace will be announced. Who's the team? Okay, drone is built by Unfold and Solana Labs. Let's see what is Unfolds. Oh, Unfold is the art creator company. That's cool. That's really cool. And what else? Solana Lab. Okay, Solana Lab is Solana itself. So I think there's a potential, guys, in this. Okay, so the another project which I'm going to talk about is Dripple. Dripple is a 3D artwork, NFTs. So this is their Twitter handles, and they have around 10.6K followers. You can get all their important links by clicking on a link tree, and you'll be able to see their Discord, website, Twitter, Instagram, and all other. Even the collections are listed in Magic Eden already. So if you are interested, you can just click here and go to the marketplace and see if you want to buy it. And checking on their website also looks very clean and crisp. Then NFTs, the artwork, amazing, guys, amazing artwork. You can see here. Look at the creativity and artwork. And these are their team members: Florina, their Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitters. So all this, their names are revealed here. The team behind these projects are also revealed. So I think it's a good project as well. And look at that, they this Florina is working on a movie industry. They work she work in Sony and Dreamwork, I think, is a animation tool. And she worked as a visual artist in Genesis and RTKFT. So, and Jan is experienced in 3D artist and game developer, and Doppy is a blockchain developer and music producer. So cool. So check out all their team members here and the cool NFT collection in their website. Okay, this is their roadmap, new website, then hodler exclusive giveaway airdrops, metaverse initiatives. Also, they have it, Portal, Sandbox, and Decentraland. Okay, phase 3, repeat DAO. Oh, they are going into DAO as well, governance token. Okay, so the last project which I want to cover today is a B&B. It's a bull and bear collection of 2,500 unique entity customizable bull and bear built on Solana. And this is their Discord group, and this is their website. I'm really amazed with their website. It's really cool website. It has an audio feature. It You can connect your headphone and listen the music. You can connect your wallet, and look at the creativity, guys. The website. So meet the bartender. Bo is the club earlier VIP member. No one early knows where he came from, how he got his job, or if a bow is even really his real name. So all this information you will be able to get here. The revolutions will be, these are the cool NFTs. Hold and drag for more views. Okay, these are the bulls and bear roadmap. We are here now. 10% is completed. The 20%, all these phases will be launched. All right, some of the interesting informations about this Bull and Beer. What is Bull and Beer? Bull and Beer is an NFT brand hosted on a Solana, consisting of 2,500 unique Bull and Beer that double as access of the purely bullish country club. Well, then what is the Beerly Bullish Country Club? So Beerly Bullish Country Club is the futuristic cyberpunk country club founded by a crypto billionaire for bull and beers to gateway and relax on their weekends. Wow, look at that. How many will be available? What is the price? Okay, price is very important. 2,500 is the total supply, and price to be decided, not yet updated. Any information when is the minting day? It's January 31st. I think just another a week after that, the price will be also out. How can I reach the team? The team is best reached directly through Discord. Okay, and this is the Discord group. So this is about the top three upcoming Solana projects on the Solana marketplace. And if you are interested, you further go to the marketplace and explore it. So that's all for today. Let's move on to the market side of things.
Yeah, thanks, Manish, for sharing that. So, guys, the markets are still not looking good and healthy, right? Right now, we're still in extreme fear. Of course, 10 is always the bottom based on measurement. Here in the max, this has been tracking since 2018. You can see that from 2018, we had 1 year where it actually touches 10, quite some time, right? We can see that it was very long. This thing was dragged out all the way to 2019. We had to wait about 2019 before we saw a very nice run up. Adoption started to come in, and then we had a nice dip, and it ran again for about a few months, right? 2020, we remembered that, and then it came up all the way, and then we had 3 months, right? So now it's gonna be a bumpy ride because we do not know how long this will stay. But at every time when we actually came up to the top, and when the market rally, we always look back and say, "Oh, we should have bought more, right? We should have bought certain coins." So be clear on the projects that you are invested in. Don't freak out, right? Don't have paper hands, have diamond hands. Hang in there, and every time when the fear index actually reach around 10, right, about 10 to to 15. Those are the great times to actually get in and buy and do it on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, right? So if you look today, it's a bloodbath across the board. But also in the stock market, you can see that when we had COVID, just C19 that happened last year, the VIX is actually measures the fear index of the stock market, and you can see that we were at 53. Today we are at 37, guys, right? So the fear is real in the market, but don't let that stop you, because as always with any crash, in every 10-year cycle, we have always that crashes that happen. We always came back stronger. We always broke all-time high. So it's just a matter of time. Hold the fort. So if it's bothering you, don't look at your wallet. Don't look at your portfolio. Go and sleep. Maybe after a year you come back, you might be a millionaire, right? So on the US stock market, futures has fallen. Some of the investors, they have fears against some of the assets because of the federal rate meeting that's going to happen while the crypto is sells off. So just three important points that you need to know. US futures has fell on Monday after stocks suffered their worst week since March of 2020. Now, the rout in the crypto market also showed little signs of abating, with the tokens deep in the red, and investors have dumped speculative assets as they brace for the Fed to hike interest rates. So the Fed high interest rates will actually cause sometimes, people may not be able to, they will default on payments. And when they default on payments, it creates this spiral effect of debt. Look at Evergrande, it's coming up in March. So there's a lot of things coming up. And to add to this, we have President Biden's plan executive order for cryptocurrencies in Fed. So what this means, I do not know, right? So these two factors are interplaying, and sometimes part of this is just to create that fear for people with large volumes of funds, and what they do is just move it out. But always remember this: the dollar is right now, we know about inflation, right? So even if I was a millionaire and I've invested large volume of money in tokens, and I remove that money and put it into cash, I know that in 5 years this cash is going to be wiped out, right? 50% of your money is going to eliminate due to inflation. So what is going to happen? People will start to find better assets, and maybe they might run to gold, or maybe they might go back to Bitcoin. So we do not know where it's going to go, because even if in the real estate, when people can't when they default on their payments, look what happened to subprime. They are not able to pay their house, and you have to evict them from out of the house. So it's going to be a tough one for everyone, not only us as retailers, right? So my only guess is Bitcoin and gold. That's it, right? That's the two safe havens that most people will go. Either they believe in cryptocurrencies or they believe in gold, right? So maybe, I don't know, let us know in your comment section what you think about the state of the economy and where we're going and how crypto will be in the future. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So anyways, we have 17,000 crypto currency, 450 exchanges right now. Market cap dropped to 1.5 trillion. Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum takes about 60% of the market share. Three trending coins is No Shit, Sinu, and Spooky Shiba. So Bitcoin, of course, the last 24 hours is down by 4.27, Ethereum down by 8.85, BNB down by 6.85, Cardano down by 8.23, XRP down by 5.69, Solana down by 12.49. And mind you, when Manish and me did a video a long time ago about Solana, we were talking about
$29.
Solana at $29. So today, and Solana had a very nice run up to 250. Today is $85. Will it drop back to the 20? I don't know. But if it does, I'm definitely buying Solana, more of Solana. So Terra Luna, of course, is down by 4.88. And Dodge make it back to the 10th place with 7.43. So over here, we are looking at 7 days, right? All of it is red. You always have to check your 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days to really gauge whether it's a fake out. It's just giving you an indicator. So one way, of course, is to look at the charts. So this chart actually showed how Bitcoin actually operated. There's 5 patterns. It's still forming, but this seems to be a longest fall that it has had. We were doing at about a 29,000 over the last 3 months, just 1 year back. Right now, Bitcoin has broke through the support levels. Can it hit 29,000, 30,000? that's only maybe about 5 to 6%. But of course, if you look at this, the money index, money is flowing out, right? There's a lot of sellers coming in, very high selling pressure. You can even see the volume of sellers coming in. Momentum also is getting smaller instead of big, large buyers, right? So people who are not planning to sell, they have removed their bitcoins out of the exchanges and kept them in their wallets. So there's nothing much to actually trade on the exchanges. So that's that inflow we have to always keep track, especially when whales come in and start to move money back into the exchange. Something is going to happen. We also had the option market, the futures market, that also added to the price dump, because when the price drops, those people who are holding at different, it becomes a domino effect, right? And this time round is very difficult to actually climb up. I know El Salvador just recently added more coins, by I think spending maybe close to, if I'm not mistaken, I think close to $15 million. It was out in the news, guys. So he's a believer. I really like the country who believes in Bitcoin. Let me see if I can find that. El Salvador, 15 million, guys. So there you can see it here. El Salvador, 15 million now added into the cryptocurrency. So technology goes, the talents are there. Hopefully the mining of the Bitcoin using volcano would be something more carbon friendly, right? So that's so much for Bitcoin. Of course, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe, do like. We are coming out with a lot of things. We have about 500 over videos. So check it out, mostly on interviews, how-tos, crypto trends, tokenomics, NFTs, and blockchain. And you can connect us at our Telegram group, Root Zones, and we have great money and crypto conversations with our group. So with that, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Same time, same channel.
Yeah, so before we go, just tweet of the day. There's some information coming from Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is trying to say we all walk with the road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. So yeah, he's referring to Bitcoin, and he's a true believer of Bitcoin. So of course, who is not? Who is not? So we are also one of the true believer of Bitcoin, and dollar cost average is the game for Bitcoin. Those who are interested to buy it, just hold it, guys. This is a premium coin and the gold of cryptocurrencies, mother of all cryptocurrencies. So what else we can say? So that's all for today.
Yep,
And
guys. So, Angela is from El Salvador. Wow, amazing! I really like the
wow,
project, and I believe that everybody should hold for at least 1 year. Angela, right? Yeah. So, Angela, let us know. I mean, El Salvador, the president actually purchased this 15 million. Is everyone using Bitcoin in El Salvador? That's amazing, man. All the way we are
yeah.
here
And
all the way
I
in
there was a news, right, that if you hold certain Bitcoin, you can get
yeah, three Bitcoin. I think the president of El Salvador will give you a citizenship.
citizenship. Oh, I'm interested.
So yeah, let us know. In the comment section, that would be amazing. How's El Salvador doing? You can even find us in our Telegram group. We would like to know about the country. I think it's a beautiful country. There's two opposite thoughts. Whether this is actually workable, but I think the people enjoyed. When that happened, and I think a lot of investors have came into the country. I don't know. So maybe you will be the best person to let us know. Thanks, Angela. Thanks for joining us. We are here all the way in Singapore. It's about 11 p.m. here. I'm not too sure what's the time there in El Salvador, but yeah, it's great to have you there.
Yeah.
So
Thanks.
with that, guys, we'll see you again tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Take care.
All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but